Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and computer. This prevents interruptions that corrupt recovery. Connect with a certified cable and keep charge above 20%. On Mac or PC, update iTunes or Finder, then grant full disk access. This lets the tool read backups. Once done, force restart the iPhone to stop rogue processes, then immediately launch your recovery software. Make sure you run the program as administrator. This avoids permission failures and ensures a clean first pass at locating lost files. Now you perform the heavy lifting. Start a deep scan to traverse the file system and carved fragments. Select only the file types you need, photos, messages, contacts, to reduce processing time and false positives. If the backup is encrypted, supply the password. That unlocks metadata and attachments. Once the scan finds recoverable items, preview them and mark what matters. Make sure to export to a different drive than the source. Writing to the same device risks overwriting remaining recoverable sectors. Finish by exporting recovered files to an external SSD or cloud storage, then verify thumbnails, playable media, and readable text. If some items appear corrupted, do not overwrite them. Instead, rerun extraction with different settings or a second reputable tool. Sometimes alternate carving recovers missing fragments. If recovery still fails, stop further writes and consult a professional data recovery service. This preserves hope of forensic restoration. One key tip: if things go wrong, disconnect the phone immediately to prevent background updates from destroying remaining data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.